Hey guys, just a little bit of an update. Okay, Mom's got it all pulled apart. Everything's undone. It looks weird. Ray doesn't have his control panel here. It just looks weird. All right, heading over there and hope I can get it all put back right. Just a little update. I'll be right back. Well, in a few. Okay guys, Mom finished and everything is running, and I have Mr. Ray over there. Say good morning or good afternoon. I don't even know what time it is now, but everything is connected and working. So I got everything back over here. I did the bench work for it. I actually put the program track right there for us. I'm tired, but you know, everything is, some stuff has to get painted because it was new wood that I had to use. But Ray was out here testing the tracks to make sure I didn't mess anything up. And these three little boogers right here on his steam engine, we picked up the other day for $3 a piece because we thought they were really cool. So this is the first time they're on the track, and Ray's gonna pull them with the steam engine. Okay, buddy, go ahead. They had the right kind of couplers on them and everything. I didn't do a thing to them. So this first time, I don't know if they'll make it derail or if they'll just run smooth. A little wobbly. That first one, the white one right there, but that could just need a little bit of weight in it, and he's got the smoke going. See how it does going around that mountain. Well, canyon. I'm tired, just forgive me. But I was pretty proud of myself that I did all the moving of the 2x4s and 4x4s and got the whole thing set back up and connected everything right again. Keep it going, buddy. They're doing good on there, aren't they? I like them.